riders, and there is my Haro Downtown DLX. Starting from the heart of my bike, my frame Haro Downtown DLX has some raw color on it. As you can tell, there's some rust. As the saying goes, low paint, less weight. And of course, when they strip off the paint, all the decals came off and replaced it with some federal stickers and some monster stickers. Next one is my Vida People Logic rings. 20 inches, both pairs of it, front and rear. Same rims, and along with the Haro stock hubs, triples, and with some scrap bike stickers. In my front wheel set, I have a Superstar chrome hubs. It has a female axle. And moving on with my wheels, 20 inches, 2.4 CST bolt. It can run 100 PSI, but I only run 90 PSI or sometimes 80, depending on what kind of ride I like to do. E-glat Shogun grips, which is very tacky even if it's a little overstretched. I have my stock Haro handlebars, and along with the stem, stock Haro stem. With my fork, I have a fully chromoly heat-treated fork from Scrap Bikes Cheap Heart. Moving on to my pedals, I have a local brand here, Enemy Components. I have Enemy pedals, Enemy chain. I have a 25x9 drivetrain, which feels very comfortable while I ride, and yeah.